A little more than a week after Hurricane Melissa hit Jamaica as a Category 5 storm, effects are being felt right here at home. WJCL 22 News' Kirsten Maselka talked to Jamaican community members, turning heartbreak into help.
Elaine Smith, owner of It's a Jerk Shack in Garden City, was in Jamaica when Category 5 Hurricane Melissa made landfall.
I was in panic mode.
She saw the devastation firsthand.
I saw the roof from my neighbor's house. It took it off piece by piece. We could just watch it blowing. The wind was really, really hard. It was terrible.
Smith says the island is still struggling, many without power and their homes gone, including her family.
They have no internet. Everybody's basically using Starlink or sending Starlink back to their family.
Back in Georgia, she's using her business to make a difference.
I have signs here saying we are taking donations. People that come in, my customers, they leave money to help to buy stuff. So once I collect, I'm going to ship them back and go and help to.
Jamaica's honorary consul in Atlanta, Dr. Elaine Bryan, says support is pouring in from across the state.
I would say 3,000 boxes, because all of them, hundreds of them are there on the ground now with the boxes.
And even though there's still a long way to go,
there's still great need, especially in some of the western parishes.
She says the response has given her hope.
The kind of support I have received from the people of Georgia, it has renewed my belief in humanity.
As for Smith, she says everything helps.
Donate. I mean, we cannot donate enough. They're going to need everything.
In Garden City, Kirsten Maselka, WJCL 22 News.